Hello students, welcome to the channel of Erudite. Today I will teach you a very interesting concept, or I would rather say approach towards DI. If you have already started your CAT preparation and if you have already went through few concepts, few lectures of DI, maybe online, maybe offline, I don't know. You have already seen, you have already faced it, that DI is not a topic where we can give you much of theory or lots of formula. It's more of a case study kind of thing. Every set is different. Every question is different. We have to build the association with the question and set, and we have to solve the question. But after taking so many DI lectures in my last 13, 14 years of teaching, and after discussing these things with my fellow faculty members of Erudite, we have jotted down few particular situations. We have identified few particular situations, few particular traits which student faces a lot, which are very common while solving DI in CAT or any similar type of exam. But one of them is when students need to deal with too many data, like this particular DI set, which has so many data. What we have, let us understand the data first. Market of baby products for the month of January and July. And this is the total data part. 2 onwards is just a question. So hardly any text explanation of data given. But table is more or less easy to interpret. So what we have 3 products: milk food, winning food, baby massage oil. They are sell volume wise. Volume means amount of sell, that all of you know. Value means by selling them how much money is earned, revenue generated. That's why this is in ton, this is in rupees crore. Every sector has a total value and 2 product wise value. One thing we have to understand, that total value is sum of more than this two. That means there are other products also. Anyhow, that is the understanding of the set. Now, what a major difficulty student face when students see so many data, they're quite overwhelmed. They don't know what to do. They start doing all possible calculations which may not be relevant. They start calculating, adding these two, subtracting from this. What is the other value here? What is the other value here? And that may not be very relevant. Some of them think how can I deal with so many data? I have solved mathematical problem where I said 1 or 2 or 3 data. How could I deal with so many data? First of all, don't panic. You have to understand it is impossible to frame a question which involves all of this data. So how much data you need, that is very important. And who will tell you that? The question will tell you that. So if I identify the question part, the first what I have baby massage oil. So therefore, I have identified the question is about baby massage oil. So any data related to milk food or winning food is not my data. Any data related to winning food or milk food is not my data. Then the question is about value or value. Question is about value. So that means any data related to baby massage oil volume is not my data. It's not my data. And question is about which of month, January or July? Question is about July. So any data associated with January is not my data. Look at this visual impact. How many tuples you had? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 tuples you had. How many relevant? Only one. Only one. And vanishing rest of them, removing rest of them just to give you a visual impact. So basically, the relevant data for solving this particular problem is hardly 8% of the total data. And see, one advantage I'm having here, I'm teaching you this with the help of PowerPoint. I can remove this data. In actual CAT, you cannot. But in actual CAT, you have to act like Arjun. You remember that story, right? that every other student of Dronacharya, they have seen the branch, the leaves, the full body of the bird, or the sky behind it. Only Arjun was the one who only saw the eye of the bird. This is your eye of the bird for this particular bird. And what you need to restrict, you have to have complete focus on this tuple, this box. The rest box should be invisible for you. And that you need to do. You cannot remove this data in actual fact. You need to have this practice. Focusing on the relevant part. This question is like URL of a folder in your laptop. First one tells you about the drive, then which mother folder, then which subfolder. It is like map pointing. You have the whole world and the country, the city, whole world map. You have to find out where is Islamabad. So you're applying some logic. Islamabad, it sounds like a Arabian name. So I won't look at North America, South America, or Europe, or Australia, or Oriental part of Asia. I'll concentrate on the Arab and Arabic countries and next to it. This is like zooming in. You're not looking at the whole map. You're looking at the relevant part. Question solving now is very easy. Value, market share of the value of other than Johnson and Dabur in baby massage. So what is Johnson and Dabur total? 9 plus 6, 15, and then 1.45. So 16.45 other total. What is overall total? 28. What is this two total? 16.45. So what is others total? The difference 12 out of 28. Yeah, 0.45 I'm ignoring into 100. Just simplified to 3 by 7. And you know 3 by 7 is nearest to this particular fraction. Calculation part is not at all difficult. You can do it mentally. You can use it easily. You can do it very easily by using calculator. The difficult part is focusing on the relevant part. Practice that. Thank you so much. That's all.